It's the worst possible thing you can do. This is part 2 of how to get 500,000 or more miles on your Mercedes Sprinter van. I'm Sprinter Jack. I head up Sprinter at the Easton Van Center in Columbus, Ohio. So when I see vans come in, the damage usually is not from one big accident. Nothing dramatic. It's almost always small things that owners do over time that they don't realize they're doing. The biggest one is engine idle time. Idling a Sprinter engine for an extended period of time is the worst possible thing you can do. The right way to start your van and drive it is get in, push the button, give it 10 seconds, put it in drive, start going at a reasonable speed, and drive at a reasonable speed until all the fluids are heated up. Then drive however you like. When you idle the Sprinter for an extended period of time, you run into problems because all diesel motors have a DEF system. And here's a real brief video from Mercedes that goes over what DEF is and how it works.
This right here is your diesel particulate filter, a very important part of your Sprinter's diesel exhaust after treatment system. Your diesel particulate filter, or DPF, temporarily stores soot from the engine until it is able to clean itself using an automatic regeneration cycle. This regeneration cycle heats up the exhaust system, turning that stored soot into ash.
So basically, regeneration cleans out the DPF.
Bingo. But here's the thing. The automatic regeneration cycle can only occur during continuous driving. So factors such as extended idling, cold weather, slow-moving traffic, and short-distance driving may fill up the DPF quicker.
So 2 of the things that they don't tell you that I think are important are, 1, in order for DEF regeneration to start, you have to be driving at least 38 miles an hour, and it needs to be a consistent drive. You can't do it stop and start. So my suggestion would be get out on the highway, any place over 38 miles an hour. You can actually watch the diesel particulate filter empty from 80 or 90% down to 7 or 8%. And this way you know you've gotten it taken care of and you're taking good care of your motor. Section 3, we're gonna go over some of the best practices to make sure you get 500,000 miles from your Mercedes Sprinter van.